This is Rekha Khan, your host for the webinar. And we have with us joining today Mr. Rohan Gulati, an active trader who is going to be talking on a lot of things today. Now that you have joined, you would notice that you all are in mute. And if you have any questions throughout the webinar, please write them on the chat section. At the end of the webinar, we would be holding a Q&A session where all the queries of the participants will be answered by the speakers. From the creator of Odin, MCX, and IEX, here is yet another credible and exchange-neutral platform a user can rely on while walking towards the understanding of crypto and blockchain. Starting from education to knowledge to all the latest news, all covered under one super app, 3.0 Wire. From a novice to a professional trader, every market participant can have a slice of information readily available on the touch of their fingers. Let me take you through the world's first 3.0 University, 3.0 TV, and 3.0 Wire services. We all know that the crypto and blockchain ecosystem is emerging at an immense speed, and to keep a track of all the news, events, and prices look to be difficult. So what if we have an app just like our buddy? Yes, you heard it right. Your own global crypto super app, 3.0 Wire. Let me take you through the app briefly. Let's start with the homepage of our app, which covers all the three pillars, 3.0 TV, 3.0 University, and 3.0 Wire services. Under the Wire services, we have rolled out India's first global index of cryptos, IC15, yet another feather in Crypto Wire's hat. It tracks the performance of the top 15 cryptocurrencies globally based on market capitalization. Crypto enthusiasts and crypto traders can take informed decisions based on IC15. Under the WireWatch section, in this section, you can monitor the best exchange to buy and the best exchange to sell a particular cryptocurrency. In the center of the screen, you can monitor the arbitrage opportunity available between the two exchanges for the same cryptocurrency. We have close to 500 plus cryptocurrencies listed in our platform with 70 plus crypto exchanges worldwide. Crypto TV is an exclusive 24/7 IPTV covering everything on crypto and blockchain ecosystem. It is currently available in 4 different languages: English, Hindi, Gujarati, and Marathi. Coming to 3.0 University. Again, over here, you can find the best courses available on crypto and blockchain. There are a lot of courses that you can enroll for. In fact, today we are also going to be talking about few more features of 3.0 verse, which will be taken over by Kiran Sethi. Moving on, I would like to introduce our speaker for today, Mr. Rohan Gulati. He would be sharing his views on today's topic. Rohan started his career in 2013 in the field of digital marketing. He is entered into the field of crypto in 2016. Since then, he has handled more than 50 plus projects related to ICO, STO, and NFT and metaverse. He has been actively trading in crypto since 2018 using leverage and future trading, arbitrage, and spot trading. Join me in welcoming Rohan. Hi, Rohan.
Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a good time and got introduced with the new project which is coming up. So I understand that this is the bear market, but this is the market where, weak hands gets like tougher from the market and the strong heads gets more stronger. So the more you will build in this market, the better results you will get in the bull market, because it's easier to, to build any product in the bull market because every product is going to be huge. For example, like, let's talk about the case of Solana. So what happened to Solana in the last bull market? Like, it went to like skyrocketed, and then we saw the price more than $200. But right now the price is like less than or somewhere around $30 or less than that. And most of the people are also predicting that the price of Solana is going to be $1. So this is like huge, right? The one moment you will be on the moon, the other moment you will be on the land itself. So you have to see that how you can build your product in this kind of market, because the better product you will have, that will show the strength in your community as well, that yes, you care about your community and you are there to support them. For example, like the case of FTX, this scenario has completely shaken the market. Like, I have no words. People have started losing faith in the crypto community just because like FTX got bankrupt within just one night. If you don't know what FTX was, so FTX was the second crypto exchange after Binance. So we, at the top we have like Binance, which is a centralized exchange, and then we had the FTX. But overnight FTX got bankrupt, and right now everybody lost faith in the crypto community. Why? Because like, if second most used exchange can't like sustain in this type of bear market, then how can you trust other exchanges who have just started yet? So that is why the whole country, the whole crypto community has been shaken up, and now everybody is trying to get the trust back, so that like investors comes in and we see the company, like all the community goes huge, right? So this is the thing. Okay, perfect. So if I'm not wrong, today's topic is like, how will you decide how to do the trading part, and how you can take maximum trades, and if you're a beginner, then how you can start your trading, and most importantly, which software you should use as a trader, right?
Right.
Okay, perfect. So I just share
Using
my
our
screen. Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, so since we're going to be talking about the tools for trading, today we are also going to be introducing our 3.0 verse new feature, which is already been launched, which is why we have Kiran with us today, our multi-market trading platform. So she's also, after your session, she's also going to be taking the audience through the feature.
Perfect. Hi Kiran, pleasure to meet you.
Here, same here.
Hi Kiran. Okay, so I'll just quickly jump onto my screen.
It is.
Okay, so this is the first charting most used software in the crypto industry, or in any industry, whether you talk about stock market or whether you talk about the crypto market. Everybody uses TradingView, because TradingView is the best platform, because you get live updates the moment any like changes in the token gets reflected. You will see the same things get reflected in the trading view as well. So you can definitely rely on the prices, because it gives you the live data, right? So the trading view looks the dashboard of trading view looks something like this, where you see the products, community, markets, whatever market you want to trade in, whether you want to go in the stocks, you want to go trade in crypto, forex, indices, whatever you want to trade, you can always go ahead and choose. So for example, like in the crypto industry, if I want to go ahead with the Bitcoin, then again the Bitcoin, I will get so many options, like which exchanges do I need to follow, because every exchange has got different data. For example, if I'm on Binance, and the other exchange that I'm using right now is like, let's say Qcoin, right? So what will happen, like on the Binance, if the price of the Bitcoin is 10 rupee, and on the Qcoin it is 9 rupees, so you will see the difference between the two prices. The reason is that the people are buying more on the Binance exchange rather than on the Qcoin exchange. That is why you will see the differences in the price reflections. But these differences won't last for so long, because you will see that people will go and will buy it immediately. But whenever you see the price differences in two coins for a huge time, then there is an opportunity called arbitrage trading. So that is different type of trading. In arbitrage, what we used to do, so on one platform we will be having different prices, and on another platform we'll be having a different prices, and the difference on both the platforms will give you a good amount of money. For example, if the Bitcoin cost on Binance is 10 rupee, and the same Bitcoin will cost you on Qcoin 5 rupee, right? So by chance, if you are able to get this data on the time, so what you can do, you can buy from Qcoin, and then immediately you can transfer your coins to Binance, and then you can sell it. So within just 5 minutes you will be able to make a profit of 5 rupee. But keeping in mind that all the big exchanges does not give you so much of arbitrage, because like everyone is after these coins. So what you need to do, you just have to pick up those coins which are not in much demand, but the volume is like really high. So arbitrage trading is completely different trading. I won't like talk about in depth. The first thing which I want to talk about is the how you will look at your charts and how charts will tell you the data that in which direction the price is going to happen. For example, like whether the price is going to be at the top or going to be at the bottom. So charts tells you a lot more data. All you need is just a skill. So this is not something can teach you from scratch. For example, like if even if I do it, you won't be able to replicate the same thing that I am going to do it. Why? Because this is a skill and this is not a spoon feeding area. So the way I will draw my charts, the same way if you will draw it, but you will look at the other way, because like every chart tells the different story, right? And how they tells it, that I'm going to tell you right now. So if I search just BTC, because the full short form of the BTC Bitcoin is BTC, now you can see that we have the chart analysis for BTC USDT from Binance. The second option is Binance. Then over here BTC USDT, this is from Qcoin. BTC USDT, it is from Binjex. And then we have BTC USDT, it is from CoinEx. So USDT is a trading pair basically. So I'm just trading in just two pair, which is BTC slash USDT. So if I just click on it and I'll just go ahead launch chart, so the moment I'll do it, it will open the window where the price is getting reflected from the Binance charts only. So whatever the price on the Binance exchange right now, it will get reflected immediately. So this is how the chart looks like, where you will see some green candles. Okay, so now we call this as candles. So we have two types of candles. One is green, the other one is red. You can always change the color, but the red color indicates that there is a high pressure of selling, and the green color indicates that there is a high pressure of buying. So some moment you will see green candles, other moments you will see red candles. Now how the colors will, why all these candles are in the red, whereas this candle was in the green, I'm going to tell you exactly in just like 15 minutes. But before that, I would like to tell you that we have like four things in the candle. First thing is the body of the candle. So this is the body of the candle, the broad body. Then we have the wicks, top wick and the bottom. Now top wick has a different significance, different meaning. The bottom wick has a different meaning. So how this works, that I'm going to explain you with the help of an online drawing tool. So I'll quickly search for online drawing tool on Google. Then here comes its auto draw. So it is important to understand that how these basically candles work. Otherwise, like the moment you will go ahead and starting the data, it won't be possible for you. So if I show you just my charts, that how I read the data, just don't get scared, because I have done a lot of drawings on my charts. So this is how I used to draw a lot of lines, where you will see some resistance lines, some support lines, and then in the middle of the charts, I have another resistance line, another support line, and this keeps on going. So earlier in the last bull run, I like traded like massively. I took a lot of trades, but after this 30% tax in India, I also restricted myself from trading. But that doesn't mean that I'll stop completely, because there are some ways through which you can always make, and there is no point of hiding taxes from government. So you can always take a trade, and then you can go ahead and pay the taxes, because again you are paying taxes from the profit that you have made so far. So you can see that I made green lines, yellow lines, pink lines. So there are so many lines that I have traded from this duration, which is from 2021, starting of 2021 to the end of 2020 or 2021 almost. So this is how I traded a lot. After that, I traded in this area also, but I like just cleared my chart so that I can understand it better, because right now when I go back, it is impossible for me to understand this as well, that what I did at that time, because there are so many trades that I took. For example, if I just expand it, you will see that my chart looks very clumsy. It is very, very, very tidy right now. So if you just see that I have this line as well, and then some other lines as well. So this chart looks very clumsy. I'm not able to identify that what means what. That is why it is important to clear your charts as well, otherwise you will get confused. The more drawings you will make, the more confused you will get. So do not get confused while you are doing the trading. Always make some simple drawings so that you will be able to understand what is the support point and what is the resistance point. But when I say resistance and support, what do you mean by resistance and support? Let me tell you that as well, but before that I would like to tell you this. Okay, so meanwhile, let me tell you support and resistance. So support means that the zone where the price is getting support continuously. For example, if I go to my chart over here, you will see that for example, like at this case. So first, if I talk about resistance, so you will see that the price got rejected just at this line all the time. Price got rejected again. So whenever this price tried to touch this line, it got rejected multiple times. So first time over this at this place, then at this place, and then again at this place, and then again at this place. So this indicates that this line is acting as a resistance because price is not able to cross this line. The same way, whenever price touched this line, we saw that the price got supported by this line. So price got rejected at this line but supported at this line. Although we do not have multiple support, we just got like two support. One is this and the other one is this. But if you look at the resistance line, then we got rejected 4 times. First time over at this place, then second time at this place, third time at this place, and the fourth time at this place. So the more the times you will get rejected, there are high chances that the price will go in the opposite direction. But the more times you will get supported by a particular zone, then there are high chances that you will cross the resistance line also. So you have to understand what is your support line and what is your resistance line. Now, in order to understand this, first we have to understand that what are we or like what is our support and resistance and how do we cater to the candles part. So I think I've drawn the same line to teach to some other students. So let me just draw it again so that I can teach you again. So the first thing in the candle is you will see the candles like this, where we have the body of the candle and then the top wick and the bottom wick. So if I just go back and if I just zoom in, you will see something like this. I hope everyone can see that this is the body of the candle and then we have the top wick and then we have the bottom wick. Now what does this indicate? This indicates that, so for this what I would like to do is that I will draw another candle right over here. So this is the body of the candle and then this and this. Now why this candle is in the downward position than this candle? So this candle will tell us the story. And how it will tell us the story? So for example, this is the topmost price where this candle went. For example, if I go back to my chart, so this indicates that the top price in this daily candle, so this is the daily candle, so you can select your time frames as well: 1 second, 5 seconds, 1 minute, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily candle. So right now I'm in the daily candle zone. So this daily candle zone is indicating that on 7th July, so this is the daily candle of 7th July. On 7th July 2022, the price went up to the topmost level, which is all the way at highest level is $21,838. Just look at this area. The moment I'll just go over, you will see that at the top at 21,838 level. That means the top wick touch the point $21,838. Similarly, if you look at the lowest zone, then you will see that the lowest wick was at $20,251. Just look at this area. This will keep on changing the moment I will go to another candle. So for this candle, highest zone was $21,838, and for the lowest, $20,251. This means that this line was at $20,838 and this line was $20,251. So this is the meaning of this line, this top wick and the bottom wick. I hope everybody got to understand that what is the meaning of the top wick and the bottom wick. And meanwhile, this line, which is the body, indicates that the previous candle ended at this one. That is why this candle got started from this one and the price went down, and the at the closing time the candle closed at this position. That is why the next candle got started from this line only, because the closing of the candle was at this line. So if I try to introduce the same thing with you, the chart, so just look at this. I'll try to go with this one. So for this candle, which is for 6 July 2022, the lowest point was $19,761.25 and the highest point was $20,675.22. Now this candle got closed at this point. Oops. So this candle got closed at this point, this orange zone. That is where the next candle got started from this line only. So the body of the previous candle will tell you the body of the next candle, from where the next candle will start. The body of the previous candle will tell you the body of the next candle. So if this body got if this candle got closed at the top, then the next candle will start forming with the same range zone. So the highest point of the body of the previous candle will become the lowest point of the body of the next candle. After that, what happened? The price went up and then price went down as well, but this candle got closed at this line, which is at this position. So this position, now the next candle will start at this position. Then the topmost point of this was this line, and then we saw this line as well, which is the bottom wick. I hope this thing is pretty much clear. If not, then let me tell you again. Let me just delete this. So I'll just draw a simple candle first. So this is the candle. This is the body of the candle. This is the top wick. This is the bottom wick. Now let us suppose that this is the red candle. Okay, red candle means that the price went down. That means the closing of the candle was at this line. So what does this mean? The next candle will start from this line. Now, if price went more down, so what will happen? The price will go down, right? So now body becomes like this, and the bottom wick becomes like this. After that, candle tried to come up in the top as well to make the top wick, but it got rejected again, and the price got closed. The candle got closed at this line. So now the candle got closed at this area. So next candle will start from this line only. So now price is still going downwards. So this will become like this. Top and wick. So that means that all the three candles, 1, 2, and 3, all the three candles were in the downward direction. But the moment now, this is the closing of the candle again. So now you will see that there is one candle form which got a huge volume. That is why this goes up. So now the direction is in the upward direction. So is there any doubt in this area? Anyone? Because it is important to understand that how charting works and how these candles work. If you are not able to identify it, then there is no point of learning the next step, which is like how you should identify your support zone and your resistance zone. So I'm thinking it as a yes, that there is no doubt. Then I'm proceeding towards the next zone, which is like to understand that what are the support zone and what are the resistance zone. So I won't go into the let's go into the latest trend. So in the latest trend, let's try what are our support zone and what is our resistance zone. So now I can clearly identify that there is a huge resistance at some area. So to understand some kind of resistance and support, what you need to do is just zoom out from your chart so that you can identify where you are getting most of the rejection. So now I can see that I'm getting rejected, the price is getting rejected at this area, then this area, and then this area. So if you look and if you try to draw a line, so to draw a line, what you need to do, at the left hand side you will see a line, the option called this, so trend line. So just go over to next section, and after that just drop a dot, and then you will see that this is a huge resistance zone. Now, how I was able to identify this resistance zone, because I can see that the price is getting rejected all the time at this area. So it doesn't matter, you do not need to draw a straight line, you can draw a line in any degree. All you need to do is just draw a line with just two dots. So now I'm able to identify that the price got rejected at this area, then at this area as well, then this, and then this. Now over here we saw that the price got rejected 5 times: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is why next time you saw a huge fall in the price at this place. Because if you are not able to break a wall, then what will happen? One day you will just say कि भाई ठीक है मेरा हो गया, now I can't do anything else क्योंकि मेरे से ये दीवार नहीं टूट रही है. So what BTC was trying to do, BTC was trying to break this wall again and again. Like it tried first time, second time, third time, fourth time, and fifth time. But इतनी बार जब आप एक दीवार पे when you try hitting the same wall again and again and you are not able to break the wall, then that is the point where you will say कि भाई अब I can't do anything else, now let me do whatever they want to do. That is why we saw a huge downfall just at this position. So this is the place where you can take the trade. So support and resistance tells you a lot different story. Now to do a successful trade, what you need to do, you have to identify the resistance and you also have to identify the support. So in our case, support lies like this. Not all the time you can be correct. So sometimes you have to, adjust your lines as well so that you will get the right data. If you are not able to draw the accurate lines, then you will be land up yourself in the very unlikable trade. That is why you should draw your lines according to your own choices. Do not depend on anyone else. So over here I can see that the price got reflected, got supported at this point. At this area it tried to break the support line, but immediately it came back in the channel. So this is the channel we are talking about right now, this channel where we have the support and where we have the resistance. So this is the channel that I'm talking about right now, and then it got supported at this place as well. But right now we have to decide what is a support zone and what is a resistance zone. So we have identified that this is the resistance zone and we have identified that this is the support zone. Now the next time it will try to break the wall, you should be ready with your trades, because now it is going to tell you either we are going to break the support or we are going to break the resistance. For example, like in this case, when we got supported, it went straight up and tried to break the resistance zone, but it wasn't able to succeed in this area. That is why we saw some downfall, and then again it tried to break the wall, but we got reflected, we got rejected. So this is the point where you can open your trades, where you can say that okay, now the price got rejected again at the resistance zone, so you should open the short position and you can make some money. But if you want to be a successful in your trades, what you can do, wait, do not take a trade at the resistance area. Wait for the confirmation that is it going to be supported by again with the support line. If not, if this area is going to get rejected now, then this is the place where you are gonna open your trades, because the price got rejected at this point and it also broke the support zone. So this is the player you can open the 100% successful trades. And if you will take the trade from this position, then you will be in the massive profit of 20%, which is like very huge. And if you have opened your trades at the resistance zone, then you will be in a massive profit of somewhere around 26%. Again, this is a very huge positions. So as a trader, I always consider two types of confirmations. First confirmation, I get it from the rejection line, and the other confirmation, I get it from the support line. So if I am looking to open my short position, then I will wait to get rejected by the resistance line first, and after that I will wait to get rejected by the support line as well, because that will give me a whole different scenario that what is going to happen next in the coming few days or in the coming few months or in the coming few weeks as well. So this is how I identify my rejection line, which is a resistance line, and the support line as well. Now, these are just the two things which I do not consider while taking a trade, because like I have other options as well. The other options that I look after is the volume. So at the end of this bar, you can see that I have some candles as well. So these are not the candles to take a trade, but these are the candles which will tell you how much volume is there on the particular day. On the day of when this BTC was trying to overpass this resistance line, then on the day of rejection we saw some volume coming in. So this is the volume, right? Look at the top, this candle, and then look at the below candle as well. So this tells you that what is the volume on the day of rejection. So whenever you are trying to hit a wall, you have to hit the wall with your 100% strength. You cannot hit a wall with just 50% capacity, right? That is why whenever BTC tries to break the resistance line, there was no volume at all. Even on this date, there is no volume. On this date, there is no volume coming up. So this tells you that there is not much sufficient power to break the resistance line, and that is where the price is getting rejected. So to break this line, we need the volume support as well. But when the price got rejected from the resistance line, what happened? We saw the volume coming in the next day, where the support got broken, because this support was not able to provide the support to sustain in the this particular channel where we have the resistance and the support lines. That is why the moment you will see that the support line is getting break and also the volume is coming in, that means that the price is not able to sustain the support line, and now we are going to see the huge downfall in the market. And that is what exactly happened. The volume comes in, support line got broken. Now I got two indications with this line that the support has got broken and the volume is also coming in. That means that the price is going in the downward direction for sure. So this is how I used to take a trade in my, like, whatever trade I want to take. So it doesn't matter whether I'm checking my Bitcoin charts or I'm checking my Ethereum charts or I'm checking my XYZ chart. Whatever charts you are checking, you just need to see, you just need to learn that what is the support line, what is the resistance line, and after that you need to identify that whether the volume support is coming up or not. So I'll take another case now where we will see that the support resistance line has been broken. Or let me talk about this channel. Price does a resistance line, but it was not able to break it, although we saw some volume, but we didn't see the price action in the resistance line. That is why, in fact, there was a volume, but price was not able to cross this line. That is why we remain in this channel only. After that, next time when it tried to break the channel, we didn't see any volume coming in. Again, price went in the sideways direction or in the same channel. Then when it tried over at this place, price tried to move or cross the resistance line, but there was no volume coming in. Again, on the date of the rejection line, we saw that price is trying to hit the resistance area, but no volume coming in. But when it got rejected by the support line, we saw that the volume is not there, but the price has already been getting rejected by the support line as well. So now this is a very risky trade, right? But if you can't take trade on this day, wait for the second candle to get formed. Now when the second candle got formed and this price also tried to come in the support zone, but price got rejected by the support. The previously this line was acting as a support, but right now this is acting as a resistance line. So we saw that there is huge resistance which is not entering, which is not letting the price to come in the channel. Now this will give me the second confirmation that we have crossed the support line and now we are not able to get entry into the channel. So what happened? Next day we saw a huge volume coming in, which gave us the second direction for the trade, that we got rejected by the support line and now we can't enter into the channel. That is why the volume came in, which took the price towards in the downward direction. So this is how you read your data, with the help of volume, with the help of resistance line, and with the help of support line. But whenever you draw the resistance line and support line, so your resistance line and my resistance line will be different. It might be possible that you will have a same resistance and support line, or it might be possible that you will have a complete different resistance and complete different support lines. Why? Because the way I read the charts is different from the way you are going to read your charts. So it might be possible that what you will do, maybe you will try to read the line something like this, where you will see that we are getting rejected at this line. So this is also a resistance line, right? But I'm looking at the bigger image, I'm not looking at the smaller image. That is why your lines and my lines will be different, and it gets different for every trader as well. So do not go blindly, and do not like, if I'm telling you that the price is getting rejected by this line again and again, and I'm gonna open the position, so you should also do it. Do not make this activity. Do not listen to anyone's. Always draw your own charts, but before drawing your own charts, always like take the first trade, but take the paper trade. Do not invest your money, because if you're drawing the wrong lines, then it might be possible that whatever your lines are telling you, whatever your charts are telling you, that will lead to a different scenario, and that scenario won't happen the next year, won't happen the next week. So first, listen to your charts, what your charts are saying, and on the basis of that, start taking the paper trades instead of taking your actual money trades. Because in the paper trades, you are not going to lose anything, but you are going to learn so much things. But the moment you will invest your own money, that is the moment where you will see, and like all the factors comes in, the emotional factors, the trading factors, and other factors comes in, and you will not going to learn anything. So if you're starting your career in the trading part, go ahead and learn the paper trades first. That is the most important thing that you can do. So I don't want to overwhelm you with so many other like indicators as well, because I use a lot of other indicators. Like this is the MACD indicator that I use, and I use the volume indicator, then I use the two other indicators as well. EMA ribbon, for example. So right now I haven't enabled this EMA ribbon. The moment I will do it, then you will see that now I have got some different lines as well. So all of these lines will tell me different stories. So I don't want to confuse you guys, because when I started my career in the trading area, I just started with two things: support line, resistance line, and the volume. Because these two indicators are sufficient to tell you that what is going to happen next. But whenever you want to become the expert, then that is the point where you will start using the EMA ribbon, which is the moving averages, and you can also use your MACD indicators. But first, try to master the art of learning the support line and the resistance line, and how this volume works. That is the most important thing that you can do in the coming days. So if you have any questions for me, I would be happy to answer that.
Thank you so much, Rohan. Before we move on to the questions, I would want to introduce Kiran, who is with us today. So Kiran is part of our business development team, and she very actively, gives demo. She's an expert on multi-market trade routing platform, which is a new feature that 3.2 verse has. This is a very unique feature, and in fact, she's going to be talking about this feature and going to be taking you all through the app, so that you get a better understanding in terms of what are the features that are available in the pro version. So over to you, Kiran.
Yeah. Thank you for introducing me, ma'am. Hello, folks. I am Kiran Sethi. I will be taking you through multi-market trade routing platform. I will be showing you the desktop version, which is only for global market. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen with you. Just give me a minute.
So multi-market trade routing platform has got two versions. One is for the global market, and one is for the Indian market. So we're in the global market.
So this is our website. On the left, on the top, you will see 3.0 wire. You will have to click there. In that, you will see multi-trade routing. You will click there. It will ask you.
You will also need to tell the website details. So it is 3-verse.io. So you can the 3-verse.io website, and then Kiran, you can take over. Yeah.
Yes. So it will ask you for two verification. for the timing, I will skip the same. Okay, here, once you log in, it will show you a tutorial page here. For the timing, I will skip the same. This is our desktop. Okay, I'll be going to utilities. In utilities, you will see credential editor. Okay, here you will be adding your selective exchange. So if you want to add an account in Binance, you want to map Binance with multi-trade order routing, you will have to first enter your credentials here, the API key and the secret key. So you will be selecting your particular exchange here, and then you will be putting your API key and the secret key. You can put in the note here for your reference. And there are three options you'll be able to see here. One is can trade, can transfer, can read. Can trade means you will be able to trade in this account. Can transfer means you will be able to transfer your asset from one account to another. Can read, you can only read, you will not be able to trade in this account. Once all the details are put in here, you will have to click on save. Once you click on the save button, and your details will be saved here, you will be able to see all your details below. Okay, if you feel that the API key or the secret key is not correct and you want to delete it, you will directly have to delete it from the below option where it will show you that you have added this API key and the secret key. Okay, I'll be moving to the next window.
Kiran, in short, multi-market trade routing platform hai kya?
Yeah, it is a smart, multi-market trade routing platform will connect you to multiple exchanges in one platform itself.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. So you will be next tab of us is exchange status. In exchange status, you will be able to see exchanges which are mapped with multi-market trade routing platform. So we currently have 3 exchanges. And here you will see a green button before the exchange name. That is that the exchange is currently up and working fine. If in case the green button turns to red, so that means there is some connectivity problem between the exchange and multi-market rate routing platform. I'll be moving to the next tab, which is symbol selector. In symbol selector, here you will see favorite, recent use tab, and popular tabs. In popular tabs, you will see the popular pairs which are there in the market, which are very popular. Okay, in recent use tabs, you will see the search, whatever search the user makes, all the tabs will be seen here. In favorites, you can add your favorites pairs in the favorite list. Okay, I'll be selecting some of the pairs here. So I have added 3 favorite pairs of mine here. Once I add the same here, you can see all my favorite list in the price banner. This is the price banner which will show you, it is like a ticker. It will be moving and it will be showing you the price of the favorite list what I have marked here. I'll be moving forward. I'll be going to trading. In trading, you will see quick orders. In quick orders, you will be able to place orders in a fraction of seconds. In the lightning speed, your orders will go through. I'll be selecting a pair here. Here you will see the buy price and the quantity available against this price. Here you will be seeing in red the sell price and the quantity available in the market. And here is a last traded price in the between. So I will be placing an order for 5 and I will be buying the same. Once I place the order, it will show me the order placed and what is the market price. After placing this order, the order will move to order book. In order book, I will be able to see the order what I have placed. My order is in pending mode. You will be able to see it here. If I think that I have placed a wrong order and I did not want to buy in this price, the price will go lower, then I can cancel this order directly by clicking this red cross button here. Once I click on this red cross button, it will ask me that do you want to cancel this order? If I click on yes, it will directly cancel my order.
Wow, just at a single click, is it?
Yes, in the single click, you can cancel your order from order book.
That's fantastic.
I will be taking you to another tab, which is order entry. In order entry, I will be selecting the pair here on the top. Say I want to buy BTC. One is the market order and one is a limit order. In limit order, I'll be placing the price in which I am willing to buy BTC on. So current price for BTC is say 20,000 and I want to buy BTC on 18,000. So I'm putting 18,000 and I will be putting the quantity here. If I will to buy one BTC, I'll be putting one BTC here. And this is the type in which you can trade the order. GTC is good till cancel, FOK is fill or kill order, and ICO is immediate buy or cancel this order. Okay, I'll be buying BTC in limit order and my price will be 18,000. I will buy the same. Okay, once I place the order, it will show me that I have put in the order in this price and I'm going to buy in this much quantity. I will go to the order book. You will see that I have placed an order of 18,000. My limit in the limit, my type is limit type, and it is in work is in progress. Once this order reaches, the price reaches to 18,000, that time this order will be placed. Next window, trade history. In trade history, once the order is confirmed and it is filled, the order will move from order book to trade history, and all the filled orders and cancel orders, rejected orders, I'll be able to see here. Buy order, sell order, market order, limit order, all the orders will come here, and it will tell me the ticker, the price, the quantity what I have bought in, all the details I can see here. In a single window for all the exchanges, in one window, I can view everything. Okay, I'll go to the next tab, which is Exchange Wallet. In Exchange Wallet is here you will be able to see wallets of all the exchanges in one single tab. So what I have bought and what price I have bought, what is the balance of my account, everything I'll be able to see here in one single wallet. And all the exchanges will come in one single wallet. I'll be moving to markets. In markets, market depth. This tab will tell you, I will select the pair first. In this, I have selected LTC. In this tab, you will be able to see the buy price, the current buy price, and the quantity available against this price, the ask price, and the quantity available against that ask price. I'll be going to the another tab. which is Smart Market Watch. In Smart Market Watch, I'll be selecting the pair here. Currently, I had selected LTC. I will select BTC here. Okay. Here, I will be able to see all the exchanges. I'll be able to see the bid price, what in which exchange, what price is available, and what is the quantity available against that price. For the this is the buy side in green, and in the red it is the sell side. In sell side, I'll be able to see the exchanges available. I'll be able to see the ask price and the quantity available against the sell. So here I'll be able to see all the exchanges in one single window, which exchange is offering what price and what is the quantity available. You will be able to see in one single window.
Kiran, I have a question here.
Yes.
When you're saying all the exchanges, are these exchanges the ones which are listed in our platform, or the complete list of exchanges?
No, this all exchanges are listed on our platform. Get.io, Binance, Coinbase Pro is listed on our platform.
Whichever
You can start,
exchanges
yeah,
are
you
listed,
can start using it.
we can understand the arbitrage opportunity available between those exchanges, is what you're saying, right?
Right.
Perfect. Okay, got it. Got it.
So I've already shown you price banner. Price banner is nothing. It's a ticker where you will be able to see the price of the coins, the pairs you have selected in favorites. Then I'll be moving on to price grid. In price grid, user can add multiple pairs here of his choice, and in single window, you will be able to see all the pairs what you select here. So I'll be selecting Ethereum, I'll be selecting BTC, USD.
I think we've kind of lost Rohan. No worries. Kiran, thank you so much for taking us through the multi-market trade routing platform. It was very interesting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Would also like to know, has this platform gone live? And if yes, can people actually access it and explore it?
Yes, ma'am. The platform is live and people can start using this platform right now.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I think with this, we would be ending our session today over here. Thank you so much, Rohan, for taking us through the technical chart and the tools. It was really interesting. Kiran, it was really very, very interesting to know the new platform, the new feature that 3.0 Verse has launched. It is very interesting. If people want to know more about this, where can they get in touch with? Do they get in touch with you, or is there a support team or something that we can ask people to get through?
People can get connected to support team on our website.
Great. So if anybody has any more queries, you can first explore the app and the feature well, and then in case there are any more queries, we can always take those queries through our support team. We have an excellent support team. We are always happy to help you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. It was interesting. We look forward to many more sessions. Kiran,
Yes,
maybe few more sessions in future for explaining the features. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. You too. A very good